She found the love of her life, and so they began their search for that perfect place. They found a little cottage far away from all the hustle and bustle, a peaceful and tranquil home. The first thing I'm going to be using is this, so I'm going to go and give it a good wash because we're going to be painting it after that. That's all clean now, so I'm going to start preparing my paint. This is the paint that I'm going to be using, Chalk White Tester Pot from Wilko. And I'm also going to add in a little bit of talcum powder just to give it a texture. Then you're going to take your cocoa liners and cut it to size, fit it inside your pot at the bottom. Then you're going to take some soil and fill your planter with that. Then we're going to cover all of the soil up with some green moss. I've got this super cute tea light house which I haven't got to use, and I actually bought it for some DIYs, so I thought this is going to be perfect. I just snipped off the label, placed a tea light inside, and then I took some ribbon just to make it look prettier, and I cut it to size and added it to the roof using my hot glue. Then once that's done, I am just placing it inside my planter, and then I am pausing to give Leo some strokes and having a tea break. I decided to include this footage just to show you all. I try to make my crafts and DIYs as easy to follow as possible, which means I deliver the best version possible. So I do all of the trial and errors basically off camera, but I just wanted to show you it's not as easy as it looks like. If the video is 3 minutes, trust me, it doesn't take me 3 minutes to make it. So I had all of these artificial plants and I was placing them in there, and I kept just changing everything around, but I still wasn't happy with it. So I scrapped everything, I got out my succulent stash, and honestly it made a world of difference when I started using them. I felt like it started becoming too green and I just wanted to give a bit of contrast and colour and break all of that up. So I took one of my miniature fences and I popped that in, and I really like the red colour. I think it worked so well. I wanted to add a bit of greenery next to the house, but I didn't want something too big or too thick so that it covers the window, because I really like that detail of the light coming in. So I found this really thin piece and it worked perfectly. And then you can see I have a small gap next to the fence and that greenery part, so I needed some more greenery, but like something that's a bit smaller. So I took this topiary ball and I snipped a few off, and again I just think that fitted in so nicely. I then wanted to add in some more colour and miniature flowers. Thankfully I had these in my stash. I will include the link for them in the description box because they're really affordable and they're just so nice for fairy gardens and miniature worlds. And so I just poked these into the soil. You can see some red flowers on the left side of the screen. I tried using them, but of course they clashed with the red fence. The pink ones went a lot better. I had this thrifted handkerchief in my stash, so I decided to cut a small bit off so that it acts like a picnic mat. And then lastly, I took these cute figurines of a man and woman. They're basically what I based my story off in the intro. So they're the ones that are in love, and this is their perfect home that they have found for themselves. So I just sat him down on the picnic mat and then sat the woman beside him. And here's the finished project. Honestly, it's making me smile just looking at it. I really like this. It's just so cute and I love the colors. Everything just works together so well. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and make sure you're subscribed because I have been working so hard this week. I've got 3 DIYs that are coming out in one video on Wednesday, and you really don't want to miss that. Oh, and this is it with the room lights off, so you can get to see that nice tea light shining through. Until next time, thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.